Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to stretch your thumb easily, and this will be a super easy tutorial. So without further ado, let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. I'll be going over two simple methods, and I don't know why I did my fingers like that. You know, usually I would go like this, but I went like this. Either way, two methods like this or two methods like this. Either way, you're getting two fingers to show you the number of methods. So we're gonna go over two simple methods, just as I said, and yeah, I'll try and keep it short, sweet, and straight to the point. I will go over those methods by telling you what to do and demonstrating, and we're gonna keep this video really short, so please pay attention. Starting off with number one. Number one is pulling your thumb away from your palm and fingers. So here's my hand, right? This is my palm, these are my fingers. We're gonna pull the thumb away. So look at what I'm gonna do. I'm pulling the thumb away from the palm and fingers, okay? So if away from the fingers is this way, going this way, and away from the palm is this way towards me. So I'm kind of going down and towards me, right? So just like that. Just like that. And as you can see, look, it is not a lot of stretch. Like you're just a gentle force, right? Nothing too hard, nothing too aggressive, just a gentle force, okay? Just like that. And I'm pulling it and releasing it. And you can do it this way by pulling and releasing, or you can just simply pull and hold gently, okay? Whenever you want, release it. So just hold it for longer. Pull and hold gently, okay? And whenever you're good, release it, just like that. That's the first method, okay? Method number two, because I said number one and number two. Now we're doing the two like this. Like I said, whether it's two like this or two like this, it doesn't matter. But I'm going to continue doing it the way that I originally, that I sort of like. I basically use my fingers to keep track of whatever number I'm on for when I do like videos with long lists where they have 5 things or 4 things or 7 or 8 or 10, whatever the case is. I haven't done ones with 10 or in a long time, or even 8. Usually I'll stick to like maybe up to maximum of 5 or 6, but I'll use my fingers to keep track of where I'm at. So like I said, I already did number one. Now it's time for number 2, okay? And that's what I usually do. Sometimes you'll see me put my fingers on the screen like this, and then I'll keep my fingers in that position down here. This way I remember what number I'm on. So anyways, that's a little bit of behind the scenes of how I deal with my content. Okay, so as I said, number 2, a long intro for number 2 over there. But number 2 is the following, okay? So, number two is put your thumb towards your pinky finger base. That's number 2. Put your thumb towards your pinky finger base. Very simple. I've said it enough. So you want to get your thumb and you now want to go towards your pinky finger base over here. Okay. And like I said, it's not a lot. Like I can bring my thumb there like that, right? But now I'm using my other hand to give it a good stretch like that. So I'm releasing it, pushing and releasing it. And then that's one method, push and release. Or like I said, I can push and hold and release. Push and hold for a few seconds and release. Very simple. So those are the two methods. Once again, just to clarify, number 1 is taking your thumb and bringing it away from your fingers and your palm like this. Very simple. And release. And number 2 is taking your thumb and bringing it towards your pinky finger base, the base of your pinky finger, just like this. Okay? Release. Just like that. That's a good way to stretch your thumb. There are other methods, of course, and I'm not a professional by any means, but these are the 2 that I would do if I had to stretch my thumb, right? It's kind of like away and towards, or like open and closed. Kind of like that. Those are the 2 that I would utilize if I wanted to stretch my thumb. And yeah, that's it basically. Like I said, I'm not a professional. This is just my unprofessional opinion and sort of what I would do if I wanted to stretch out my thumb. But yeah, that's basically it. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. I've shown you exactly how to do it. I've over-explained everything. And yeah, with that being said, I've got nothing else. So other than me hoping that you've enjoyed the video, I've got nothing else. And with nothing else, we are going to roll the outro. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.